So I pulled off the buttons, pulled off the front fascia panel, and now I'm into where the board is. So what we have to do is undo the screw. Make sure you make a note of the wires. On this it's blue in, brown in the middle, and grey out. So I'm just going to pull them wires off and that'll be free. So on this one you just pull the buttons out. And that slots out the back. Obviously you've got your LCD display there. And on this side you've got a few components. So you've got the speaker, you can test that for continuity. You've got your relay, your MOV, check that for continuity. That looks like a capacitor. Yeah, next to capacitor. You can just check that for, make sure it's got the right microfarads on it. Check your relay for continuity. 2 capacitors there as well. So there's nothing really on that board that can't be replaced this side anyway. Unless you have to take the screen off to get to it. Which will make it a bit more awkward, but so that's it. I'm just going to put this back together. Well, I've got to replace this board and then that'll be it.